right. Welcome everyone to our community board meeting. Oh, no, not community, tech board meeting, where we'll be discussing our CNM cyber launch and also a bit of our current status of our technology. So here we have Gary, we have Natalia, we have Firdaus. Welcome everyone. So on yesterday's community board, we had several discussions about this DNM cyber launch, and particularly we talked about the payment system that we need to develop, also Wi-Fi, and uh, and also SOPs for the community board meetings that we need also to develop. So I want us to major right now on the SOPs for community board, and I believe Firdaus has some questions for Gary, and also she had developed something in regards to this. So welcome Firdaus, welcome Gary.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Kevin. We did the SOP with Kevin some time back. From majorly we were doing the pre-meeting, during the meeting, and post the meeting. So for me, I thought that we had covered almost everything that is required for that. But then Kevin told me that there's still more that is required. So that's why I needed to discuss with Gary so that he can tell me if there's anything we need to add to what you already have, or if there's anything we need to correct, so that we can make the community board, more impactful and also more goal-oriented. Yeah.
I don't know what you have, so I cannot
Yes. So
how
what,
can I
what's
get kind of what is missing? Like, is everyone agrees?
yeah?
Like
So there's
Kevin
something
review.
developed on
Huh?
on the wiki. Natalia, if you can go on the wiki in community board space.
I'm on
The wiki.
CNM Cyber on community board. No.
Yes, where you are, just select wiki.
I kind
You
of
got
I'm not prepared to kind of to discuss anything because I kind of right now I'm changing DNS records. Then I will need to send money to you, and kind of it's like I don't know. I don't like kind of all the quick kind of push there. Maybe it was something on the board which I missed.
mhm.
I don't know.
Yeah. Can we do that maybe later?
Yeah, later
Mhm.
kind of send. Look, if I got the problem was that I didn't have my laptop, so
Mhm.
I got notification on my phone, but
Yeah.
I actually didn't have a chance to go through and see what is there. Maybe later I will be able. Can you tell generally what is if something what you like what you feel like you need me, and I will
Yeah,
reply to
yeah.
this.
Maybe just speak about generally how you envision the community board will be.
Community board should be our um, signature product, like so people who are interested in our Wise Next like work or project can go there and see that there is some movements. So it must have decisions. So this is must be like a board of directors. It not like a sounding board. Um, like education this week or WiseNeck this week can be like a sounding board. Community board must be like board of directors. We need to make decisions there, and decisions should be related to a financing, what kind of budgets we assign to kind of to different like projects, and secondly, to give contracts to people So let's say we have like $100, for instance, I'm making up $100 to develop, let's say, wisenext.com. So if we have like 2-3 people who will compete, we on our board we need to make a decision to whom this money to give. Also, we can have like some budget, let's say 100 a week, just for like Wildcat. Someone will say, "Oh, for $100 I will do this, this, and that," and we will kind of, and we should be able to award their kind of the money. So again, this is more like I envision more like a Shark Tank style, some part of it, where people will say, "Oh, I will do this," and we will question, "What have you done it before?" Why you feel like you will be kind of the best person? Like as a normal view, right?
Correct. So also, like you mentioned, it should be a place where we make decisions. How do we come about to the point where we start now making decisions in the community board? Like, should there be like a sounding board where there are proposals?
No, it must be. We can use either polls kind of to collect general information, but we should be able to kind of just cast the votes. So let's say if we have like, we will have many like attendees, it will be like open mic, open kind of open agenda. But to make decisions, it will be like, let's say 3 people. You cast your vote, Natalia cast your vote, and I will break a tie if the tie is needed, right? It is how I feel it. We can also we should be approving also, let's say, SOPs, kind of the changes, like anything related to the community, right?
Yeah.
And community means like people who, like our volunteer staff, we should be able to request like technology part, like to do something, or request their opinion on something. What else? It is what I kind of the primary need. There are like many like secondary needs, but the primary need is to have some instrument to show to our participants. So let's say what's next? Students attend, we give them, let's say, like Wi-Fi, but we need to tell them, okay, there is no like wages for your like practice, but if you come up with the idea to do something, like you can get kind of your contract can be awarded, you'll be awarded a contract, and go to like YouTube, watch how it happens.
Okay.
So it is kind of both like marketing piece and also kind of like I like kind of this visualization. So like people will see how it happens, that this is kind of possible. You can go there, pitch your idea, and kind of and get the contract awarded, and then you can put like in your resume, I won kind of the contest for, I don't know, whatever.
All right. Rodos, do you have any question in regards to this SOP?
I want to add one more. So like normally people, like even like Firdaus, right? Like she applied for a job. She needs money. She doesn't know what is going on, right? She she feels, oh, if I will be patient, if I don't say stupid things, if I say something like, oh, I like to be a part of your team, guys, how I like what you do, so it should be okay. And then somehow, if she stays okay, she will be paid, right? So this is kind of normal, like human. It's not only Firdaus. I took like the last because she joined later than others. But the same me, right? I will come and I will probably kind of try to understand what is going on. So community board should be a tool for our new people to see how it happens instead of waiting and what is going there, or I will stay here, look around, something will happen. For them it will be kind of some like insight to what to expect, right?
Yeah.
Does it make sense? Do you agree? Let's
Yes,
make a
yes.
decision. Let's make this decision. It is kind of, you are collecting my requirements. I'm not saying that it must be this way. I kind of, it is my kind of, my perception how it should be. We need to have some instrument for students to see that some pay is possible and to give them insight how to get paid for their proposal. Okay?
All right.
Whew. I have a question, and unrelated, sorry. Natalia, I see like you sent me to change this applet, to change a record, right? But we also have like id.applet.net, mail.applet.net. Do you want to keep the rest? Do you want me to update only a record or no?
Right now only records
A record, okay, got it. Sorry,
for
got it.
applet.net.
Yes. Updated. Success. So, okay, we can continue. Sorry.
Yes, thanks.
So I have a question on the community board. So the attendees, do they have to be the members that are already part of the team, or is it open to anyone?
It should be open to anyone to attend. It shouldn't be anyone to vote. Kind of there, like the final votes. Maybe we will kind of like maybe it will be like a permanent members of our community board. So let's say we need to establish like kind of criterion too, like some criteria. So let's say, will you be a part? If you organize, will you be a part of the board? Could be. I don't know. I don't have any idea. I feel we need to invite as many people like to visit, to ask questions. Maybe if we do it broadcast, maybe put some comments on YouTube. I don't know. I want to make it interactive so people kind of can get kind of some be involved. But the decisions we cannot allow like just incognito people to vote on money. No, it will be some limited number of people who will make kind of this vote and be responsible for the vote too.
Okay.
Does it make sense?
Yeah, it does.
Any more questions in regards to SOPs for community board? If not, I'd like us to proceed. We mentioned yesterday, but we didn't go in depth about marketing. And also we had talked in our previous community board, not the one we had yesterday, but the previous one before the one we had yesterday. We had mentioned introductory video. We want to develop an introductory video. So let's start with marketing, because I feel like we also need to start marketing such that people, students and parents will be aware of what we want to launch by 1st October. So, and the last time we had this discussion, we mentioned about two aspects of marketing, where we market to students and where we market to project managers who will come.
Parents. Like
parents.
one message. Yeah, one message to parents, one message to maybe not only parents. So let's say, like this, like number 2. Let's take kind of example of Firdaus. She will be kind of in our kind of this like another like line. We need to attract experts or parents, like adults, someone who kind of like let's call it adults, right? Adults. It's like one stream, and I will say probably Fuzu sounds like the right platform. We use Upwork right now. We can also possibly use Upwork, just instead of my personal account, to create kind of this like more general account, because I'm trying to probably my account to retire, or just kind of to slow down. But Fuzu should be kind of, it's a good part too. Maybe Upwork. The other side is kind of skits. And this is my kind of only idea. I don't know any details. Kind of you can discuss without me. I have no any preference.
Okay.
If it will generate, students, I will be happy. If it doesn't generate students, so we need to modify something. I have no opinion. With regard to kids, I don't know. I have no opinion. I don't know what channel will work. I don't know what the message should work. I don't know. I'm a 60-year-old guy who doesn't live in Kenya, never been to Africa, and I don't know. I don't speak Swahili, I don't speak Somali, I don't speak Kikuyu, I don't speak Luo, I don't know anything.
Yeah, just to mention, we had discussed earlier, and like Fuzu, we had mentioned Fuzu for attracting project managers, and social media now, we will use it for attracting the students. Social media, and also working with social media marketing agencies. So we will also work on this as well and come up with something by the next community board, as well as a budget for budget estimates for the marketing project.
I need from you like a budget estimate, like what you expect, how much it will cost, and we'll go from there.
All right. And again, also, we had mentioned about the introductory video, and mentioned also we had a meeting, me, Firdaus, and a video editor. This is the same guy that created the graphics that we have on let's say the on our YouTube channel.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
KenyaX, yes, the same person. He also does video editing, and we discussed some budget. Firdaus came up with a script for the video. We want to create like a 1-minute video that will just talk about the general part about this program, and also how to register and the benefits. And so for a video, he mentioned that it will cost about $50 for editing. What we want to, he'll also like, so what we envision is that Firdaus will do a recording of herself talking about the program, and send to the editor. And you also do some animations of the video as well as some graphics.
Will it be in English or Swahili or?
English, and maybe we can do both. If Fados, what do you think?
I think we can do English.
English.
Yeah, English is okay.
All right. Yes, so that's how far we are with this project. We'll share more details on a later date.
Okay, it sounds like kind of a good item for our kind of next meeting, right? So you will create this, this like item idea, like on the wiki page related. It will be kind of the body, the text, the proposal, what we will get, right?
Correct.
And then Natalia will review and say, okay, you'll say okay, and if Natalia is not okay, I will review what is going on.
Okay.
We need video. It's a good idea. I like that you have initiative on this side. We definitely need video. Yes.
All right. Yeah. So finally, I also like.
Do you understand? Do you understand the kind of the idea, the project, basically, kind of generally? Kevin, do you understand what we offer?
Yes.
Firdaus, do you understand what we offer?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Do you feel it's kind of it's needed? It's kind of people will like it.
They definitely are.
Okay. Yeah. So we will see.
Yeah. Like the few developers that we've had, let's say, for example, Evans, and also the other lady that you brought in from Upwork, I don't remember her name. She was also very excited about the project. So I believe the general public will
we have three: Immaculate,
yes,
Irene, Immaculate. Yeah, she disappeared.
But she was very excited about the general idea about what we are trying to achieve.
Irene was excited too. I don't know. It looks like they dropped, but
yeah. All right. So also, I'd like to ask Natalia, were you able to install the plugin I shared on Odoo for the payment system?
We will install this extension on corp.xoppx.com.
Okay, it's installed.
No, when DNS records will transfer, and right now I send Gary once more address to transfer records, and when this application Oplet.net will work, we will install plugin.
Okay. Yes, that
it is what I'm working on, Natalia. What is, because you send me Career Price. Career Price is managed by Hostinger.
But I have not access to this DNS records. I don't know why.
Do you want me to return to do you want me to update on? Okay, I will go to Hostinger next. But CNM Cyber was kind of this address. CNM Cyber, um, it was already kind of this record. Um, got it. I'm working on it.
Thanks.
Okay, what else? So I'm working right now. So I go to Hostinger. With Hostinger, we may need to do something. Can you create a letter or kind of some request to them, or you can ask on your own? Can you ask them directly why I cannot manage my record and what should I do to manage records? You can possibly ask their tech support. Maybe they created a separate like admin, like DNS admin. So I will, like, if I know what to click, I can click this. So again, back to Career Price. Career Price is on Hostinger. I cannot change a account on Hostinger, right? They will not allow. The idea that they want to manage their sites. So I can take from Hostinger to move to somewhere else. Is it what you want me to do? Or?
Yes. Move Career Price to new IP address.
Okay. Okay, I'm back. So I'm working on it. So what's up? What else?
Yeah, I think I don't have anything else unless we now move over to TechBot side of this meeting.
Yeah, Hostinger doesn't allow me to add another A record. They have their own A record kind of on file.
Maybe we can change record.
Yeah, 1 second.
Or
Yes, I changed and I deleted the old one.
wow.
Yeah, it should be operational right now. What else?
I think that's pretty much it about CNN Cyber Launch.
So we need to have community board,
Correct.
some marketing.
Mm-hmm.
To marketing, I will record my video, hopefully soon.
Yeah.
We already have Cinem Cyber, right? Kind of the
Yes.
spaces.
Correct.
We need to make sure that they are stable. This is what
Mhm.
we kind of need to work on.
Yeah. Maybe also start looking for a HAMHub developer.
Yes, this is the good idea.
Mm-hmm.
This idea, I like this idea.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Natalia, I checked, like I pinned like 3 address, cnmcyber.com, applet.net, and careerprice.com. All of them point to 106.
Right.
So all of
Well,
them.
try to log in Wiki or social or cnmcyber.com.
So let's try. Could not successfully connect to LDAP. I try Wiki.
Maybe we should wait for.
Maybe. No, it doesn't go through. Okay, so what else? Nothing else? We're good?
Yeah.
Are we good?
Yeah, we're good.
I like that we are moving somewhere. So it's with the contractor, we should look. Yes, it's a good idea to look for like Home Hub developer, at least like expert.
Yeah.
It's a good idea. And also, we also need to check on the invite page, see so that we can help also Leon finalize it, so that we can move to the welcome space as well.
Invite page is not like a mandatory. It's not like we can basically launch the project without invite page. On the invite page, I sent my recommendations. I don't know whether anything is done there, but it should be like private career network. It's not not excited. Maybe this career network is, and then it's like small letters, managed by CNM Cyber volunteers to support KNX, comma, WiseNext, comma, and whatever else, and other education projects. So kind of to work more on the text, to put more like data to the bottom, and to give like to designer, because design I didn't like the design. Give to a designer, but we need to finalize the text first.
Correct.
Do you have a better ideas than mine? Because I'm afraid that you perceive me as a customer. In this case, I'm not a customer, I'm a sponsor. I don't know what needs to be like, I know it should look good when people like click there. It should look good. It should feel professional. It should feel like oh, it's a good place to be a part of. But I don't know what needs to be done.
So probably once we finalize the text, Leon can come up with several designs and we'll vote for the one we like best.
I will probably hire a separate designer.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure that like Leon style like. However, if it works, it works. Maybe I need to to relax and to like whatever I saw this like the white text on the dark background, long text, it's not readable. Also, Leon capitalized many like words. I don't see a reason for capitalization. In English language, every word is capitalized only in the title, nothing but the title. If not the title, it shouldn't be capitalized.
Yeah,
I don't know.
about that. I think I went through that with him and told him on how to the balancing of the whole design. I think he worked on that, and what he has right now, it looks more balanced compared to what he had some time back, the other time when he was presenting so much capitalization.
Correct.
So, and that one he's worked on it.
I agree with you. It's definitely. I needed to say, if I would be a manager, I needed to say, we have a big progress. So right now, invite page is way better than it is now, and invite page proposal is way better than it was like 2 weeks ago. So this is the progress. Yeah, this is good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for the design, we can work on that. We'll have a meeting with him tomorrow and see various things that we can do with the design.
If you like to be I forgot, you have some design expertise or no? If you feel like it can be your project too, you can work with Leon. It can be.
Yeah,
I don't mind.
we've been dealing with him, so it's okay.
Ask me about the budget. Like not ask me about what you need to do. Okay. Anything else or no?
No, I think you're done. So maybe adjourn.
Yeah. Unless you have questions. If not, it was your initiative. So I'm following your lead, right?
Yeah. No more questions from me. Thank you everyone for joining this meeting. We'll meet again next week and assess the progress that we will have made. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Kevin.
Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Alice. Thank you, Natalia. Bye-bye.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.